In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam failed to start game app already running. This error usually means Steam thinks the game is still open in the background, even though you've already closed it. We'll go through a clean, reliable sequence to clear stuck processes, refresh Steam, and make sure your game files and permissions are in good shape. First, open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Escape together. In the Processes tab, look for your game's executable or its launcher. Sometimes it sits under Background Processes after a crash. When you find it, right-click and choose End Task. If you are unsure, sort by name or by CPU or memory to spot anything still active. Ending that lingering process tells Steam the game isn't running anymore, which often resolves the error immediately. Next, restart Steam itself. Fully exit Steam by right-clicking the Steam icon in your system tray and choosing Exit. Give it a few seconds to close everything out. If you want to be thorough, glance back at Task Manager to confirm no Steam processes remain. Then launch Steam again. A fresh start clears temporary glitches that can cause the app already running message to stick. Now, let's clear Steam's download cache. In Steam, open Settings, go to the Downloads section, and select Clear Cache. This wipes out temporary data that can confuse the client. Be aware that you may be asked to sign in again afterward, which is normal. Clearing the cache helps resolve conflicts between what Steam thinks is downloaded and what's actually on disk. Go to your library. Right-click the game, select Properties. Then Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan your installation and replace any missing or corrupted files. This can take a few minutes, especially for larger games. But it's worth the wait since file mismatches can trigger launch conflicts. Finally, adjust the game's run permissions. Locate the game's executable in its install folder. Right-click it. Select Properties and open the Compatibility tab. Try toggling Run this program as an administrator. Then click Apply and OK. Some systems need elevated permissions to initialize anti-cheat launchers or services correctly, while others behave better without it, so test both on and off to see which resolves the error for your setup. Follow these steps in order. Launching the game after each one to check if the issue is gone. That's it. Thanks for watching.